Shenzhen Huidafa Technology Company Limited was founded in 2006. We produce mobile phone battery, power bank, wireless charger, cable for many years. We have advanced automatic assembly lines to produce for iPhone battery that are the most advanced facilities in the mobile phone battery industry. We have highly professional R&D and design teams. Our engineer and management talents are the top of the industry. Our core engineer is huidafa, who is our company boss. He engaged in battery industry 21 years. We fast R&D latest model battery. Monthly, our engineer R&D for mobile phone new model battery. Our brand is DEJI. We have stocks for DEJI brand battery, so we can fast delivery the goods in 2 to 5 days. Our cell phone batteries have CE, FCC, RoHS, PSE, KC, UN 38.3, MSDS, IEC 62133, TUV US, CB certification. Our factory also passed ISO 9001 quality management system. Our DEJI brand battery get very good evaluation in the market. Our valued clients are spread across the globe, including United States, Germany, United Kingdom, Italy, France, Turkey, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, Thailand, Southeast Asia. We also accept OEM and ODM business. We insist on the principle of quality first, reputation supreme, customer foremost, and service the best. We warmly welcome all domestic and overseas customers to contact us for mutual benefits and win-win cooperation.
Hello, this is the DEJI product showroom. Let me introduce DEJI founder Jack Chen. He has been selling DEJI battery more than 16 years. He is co-engineer of DEJI battery engineer team. He controls DEJI PC board and core materials. Jack have good news. Now global customers like DEJI battery so much.
Okay, good.